This video will walk through the settings that you can check for if a user finds that they're unable to enter time. Now, time entry can be enabled or disabled at multiple levels. The first thing that you want to check if I go to try to enter time on a task is go to the user's profile. I'll go to edit my profile up here on the top right of my screen, and I'll go to Resource Info tab. The first thing that you want to check for is the Allows the person to create time entries checkbox under Time Entry Information. After enabling that, and the user is still unable to enter time on a task, the next thing to check is on the project level. Check on the Project Edit Task Defaults page. Scroll down to the bottom to Time Entry Options to make sure that the Enables the task to capture time checkbox is on and that it is applied to all tasks. The last place to check is on the actual task. We'll go to Inline Edit this one and Full. Go to the Time and Expense tab and make sure that this checkbox is checked to capture time. Once you've done so, you should be able to enter time onto your task. For more questions or information, please feel free to check out our other time entry documentation, or feel free to reach out to support@projectinsight.net for troubleshooting further issues.